Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Umhla ka-15 kuDisemba 2025 bekukhona i-motion of no confidence lapha kwi-legislature yaKwaZulu Natal emveni kokuba i-NFP okuyi-National Freedom Party yaphumela obala umholi wayo lo la ku-screen kanye no-former president uJacob Zuma wathi bona bazosupport i-MK futhi basupport i-MK ngoba kune-corruption abangahambisani naye eyenziwa uPrema kwaZulu Natal okuba uThami. And abantu bakwaZulu Natal ngokuvota kwabo i-MK Party igcina inamavoti amaningi, khombisa ukuthi babefuna i-MK Party. Kodwa ke kwase kuhlangana lamaqembu akhanda i-GPU okuyi-ANC, i-DA, i-IFP kanye ne-NFP. Uma sebehlangene baba i-majority, so i-MK Party ne-EFF ziba ku-opposition. Ngempela ke baya lapha uma sekufikile isikhathi sokuthi akwethula izethulo zabo lapha kwi-motion, uMbalishinga MEC u-MEC1 konje sengikhohle ukuthi u-MEC1 uMbalishinga i-NFP yena wathi ngeke aze avote kanye ne-MK Party. Lokho kwenza ukuthi i-motion eyayifakwe i-MK Party ingabe saba impumelelo. Okutheke emveni kwalapho kwakhona izinkulumo eziningi, uMbalishinga wasuspendwa iqembu lakhe, kwathiwa afuneka aye ku-disciplinary ngoba ephambene nezimiso noma nemiyalelo yeqembu. Bekulindeleke ukuthi aye ku-disciplinary hearing osukwini la izolo, kodwa sithe sabona amalungu e-NFP ehlukene phakathi. Kwathi abanye besemhlanganweni, abanye bebengavumelekile ukuba ingxenye yalo mhlangano, base befuna ukungena ngenkani. Cela ubone la. Sithe sisanake lokho ukuthi kunamalungu e-NFP afuna ukungena abe ingxenye yomhlangano, kodwa abizelwa amaphoyisa ukuthi avinjwe angangeni. Ngase ngibona ivideo lapho khona umholi we-NFP bebeshaya inkomane nomunye. Ngicela ubonele. Babalwayo ngusihlalo we-NFP kanye no-president we-NFP ngoba imibono yabo iphambene. Khumbula ukuthi usihlalo ukuleli thimba lithi i-NFP ayingahoxi kwi-GPU, ayibe khona. Abahambisani nento esho president wabo ukuthi abahambisani ne-MK. Ngapho president nethimba lakhe bathi bona cha, i-NFP ayiphume ku-GPU izokwazi ukuthi i-NFP isupport i-MK Party ngoba abantu bakwaZulu Natal bakhetha ukuthi bafuna ukuphathwa i-MK Party. Usho njalo umpresident we-NFP.
Iqembu le-National Freedom Party belizonquma lizotshela abantu bakwaZulu Natal naseNingizimu Afrika ukuthi i-NFP isiphumile ubudlelwane be-GPU obekuphakathi kwe-IFP, ANC, DA and NFP. Sibekile izathu zethu zokuphuma kwe-GPU ngoba beziyinhlanga ezimbili. Uhlanga lokuqala olwepolitiki ebelwa luphakathi kulamaqembu amathathu aqala avumelana ukuze kungene kwi-GPU. Uhlanga lesibili, it was now administration, besibona ukuthi kusaqhubeka inkohlakalo, kusaqhubeka ukudelela kwabesifazane, kusaqhubeka ukuxhashazwa kwemali zomphakathi abantu bebona. So siqale sakubekezelela ukuthi politically ebesivumelene ngakho abaku-honorishi ngezathu zokuthi besihlonipha uhulumeni ukuthi awuqhubeke ukwakheke. Kodwa asikwazi sithi uhulumeni awuqhubeke ukwakheke ukukhohlakala nenkohlakalo kusenzeke. Ila isithe khona-ke asisakwazi, this is a no can do. Sase siyaphuma ubudlelwane phakathi kwethu sobala. Asiphiki ukuthi sikhathazekile, kodwa siyaxolisa kubantu baseNingizimu Afrika kungesizathu sabo ubona siphumile kulokho budlelwane. Siya remain as an opposition. Sifuna ukusho ukuthi asikakakhulumi nezinye inhlangano ukuthi uhulumeni uzophatheka kanjani. Siphuma ku-GPU sohlala kuma-opposition benches for now until either bona they come to us bezosho ukuthi nakhe sikushoyo, nakhe indlela esingaphatha ngayo. Masibone ukuthi uzobasiza abantu bakithi songena kukho, mangabasiza sizokungena. Abasha abafuna ukuphatha uhulumeni nabo sokhuluma nabo sithi uzokuphatha kanjani uhulumeni. Le 1% wethu somemeza ngawo koze kulunge uhulumeni weNingizimu Afrika. Okukhulu kakhulu esifuna ukusho, siyacela ukuthi inhlangano lezi zonke ikhona ake sihlale phansi sakho uhulumeni, ANC, MKP, NFP, IFP, EFF, the list goes on. Abantu basidinga ngapho basivotela.
Uzule ku-President we-NFP echaza isizathu sabo esenza ukuthi bona bahoxe ku-GPU futhi nokuthi iziphi izinto noma iy'nyathelo abazozithatha. Kuthi-ke kuliqembu le-NFP ngoba ngithe lihlukene kabili. Kuliqembu le-NFP kukhona abayisapotha indaba ye-GPU abathi cha, miyekeni uMbali siyamsapotha thina uMbali Shinga njengabantu be-NFP. Iqembu-ke lifa kanje lokuthi bangakwazi abantu beqembu ukuhlala phansi balungisa inkinga zabo bethi bephumela phansi bebekhuluma ngazwi linye lifa kanje ethi ngicaphunele bona ubona ukuthi bona benze njani.
Now we start. Oh, now.
Like yithimba elihamba nosihlalo we-NFP njengoba ubona bebesesendleleni bethi wenzeni uShinga uMbali Shinga wenzeni bacula ingoma le bashintshe nje igama ngoba phela le ngoma siyazi ukuthi yayiculela uZuma ngale yamihla ye-ANC kodwa lana bayiculela uMbali abagcinanga ukucwe baphinde bacula futhi basebeyacula nosihlalo wakhona wayese ekhuluma nabezindaba yabona bekunama media briefing ayithu ehlukene kodwa iqembu lelodwa.
Bayibona le GPU ekhona mina ngishayela ehlobo enokuhola emhleni nabo beshahlobo ikwazi Natal ugebengu behlile ugebengu upremier ukuthatha ioffice lela kwa-safety afake kulo asebenzisane no-professional commissioner ngisho lofuna ukuganga useganga kuye nganeno. So how come ukuthi a winning strategy wena ufuna ukusiqeda ya uthembeni yini le mhlawumbe ongayibeka etafuleni sithi hayi cha siyakusupporta, you can lead us. I-GPU le khona siyayisupporta kakhulu thina. Sithi umhlonishwa u-MEC noma usihlalo weprovince yalapha KwaZulu-Natal akayibambe lapha eyibambe khona. Le GPU siyayisupporta 100%. Inqumo lezi ezithathwe emva kwamabhuti nasemakamelweni ezabo. Thina singeni organization ayingeni lapho. Thina sifisa ukuthi i-service delivery nabantu bakwaZulu-Natal abacabangelwe bona kuphela uqala ukuze lesifundazwe sibuyele uwethenjwa. So sisayincoma kakhulu ukuthi i-GPU yethu ihambe ngalendlela ehamba ngayo.
Njengobuzwa ke ukuthi usihlalo yena uthi lento esho upresident wabo iumbhedo bona iGPU bayibona ihamba kahle uyazibeka ke nezathu zabo angifuni ngena kwipolitiki qhathanise ngikhulume nani kodwa ngifuna ukukhuluma nje ngalento eyenzeka la so asazi ukuthi usihlalo ngoba sizwile kuthiwa ubuholi lobo bukhona okuyi-IFP ne-DA ne-ANC bazohlangana ne-NFP ukuthi thema behlangana mhlambe bahlangane nosihlalo ngoba upresident wabo bembonta akafuni ikizwe indaba yabo mhlawumbe usihlalo bahlale naye bakwazi ukuxoxa naye baxoxa naye wasibona isizathu sokuthi akayisupporte lento ngoba sonke lesikhathi kwenziwa zonke lezi zinto ubelokhu ethula usihlalo engasho lutho bengaphikisani nalutho bengaza phawule lutho kodwa emveni kokuba bathe bazoba nomhlangano ne-NFP ngoba phela ukumemezela kwe-NFP ukuthi iyaphuma kwile GPU ikumemezela mntamba ngeviki eliphelile kodwa ukuhlangana kwabo nosihlalo mhlawumbe kwenza ukuthi usihlalo abuke ngelinyiso angifuni ukuthi mina usihlalo khona athenjiswe khona noma khona nekwe khona ngabe ngiyamsukela kodwa nje ngithi mina konke lokhu kwenzeka emveni kokuba ubuholi be-GPU buthe buzohlangana ne-NFP kwase kwenzeka lenkinga khona ngicela ukucaphunela ivideo yokugcina kababa uvele inkosi enihlabisa bese siyayivala le video
interest of South Africa. That is why the IFP is going to be in constant engagement. I'm very happy. A day before yesterday, the partners in the GPU in KwaZulu-Natal had a good discussion to ensure that the government that is bringing stability remains intact. Because even if the NFP can pull out, it will not automatically mean that the government has collapsed. No, it will mean there is going to be a deadlock because it's 50% leading the government and 50% in the opposition. A deadlock is not good for the country. That is the first argument we are raising with the NFP, that creating a deadlock is not at the best interest of our country. For whatever issues the NFP is having, let us engage. South Africa is a country that is good in engagement, consultation, negotiations, and finding a consensus. I'm confident the government of KwaZulu-Natal is going to lead the province until the next elections in 2029, ensure stability, ensure progress, not for only KwaZulu-Natal, but for the whole country. But beyond NFP, we are going to engage even the EFF for the good of our country and the province. It is the best thing to support the government that is existing there, wanting to be on the opposition. That is why, therefore, I'm saying we are going to ensure that we open the discussion to the highest leadership of all political parties in KwaZulu-Natal to say, look, to create instability is taking the province back. To create a deadlock is not to make our country go forward. Coalition government have come to stay. We need to learn how to master them, how to navigate complexities, issues of difference, to ensure that we work together to ensure that our province, our country goes forward and democracy is entrenched.
Yikho into ezoba nzima KwaZulu-Natal uma kungaqhubeka kube nje iNFP ibe kwi-opposition kuzoba nzima ukuphasisa noma yini legislation esuke ikhona ngoba kungcono mangabe laba ababusayo bene-majority ngoba laba be-opposition banokusuka nje bangenwa ngilazo biza ngedimoni athi ngisho njalo ngoba ngazi ukuthi yini leyo ngezwa ngamakhono bangenwe yinto engizothi idemon lokuthi bavele baphikise yonke into noma ngathiwa yinhle kanjani bavele bayiphikise nje ngoba bayayiphika nje for iseke ukuthi bakwi opposition yabona nje ngoba kuyi 50-50 hey kuzoba nzima ukuphasisa noma yini ngoba kuzofuneka ni-argue kuzofuneka ukuthi uhambe makuzophasa something ufuna uhambe yoncenca ama-political party wancenga ukuthi awayibone njengoba lento uyibona wancenge afike lapha avote nawe asikho isikhathi esoba nzima njengalesi ilapho khona ke ozocompromiseka ke ezinye izinto futhi ngiyacabanga ukuthi la khona kuzobuswa kahle noma sizoba nzima isikhathi kodwa kuzobuswa kahle ngoba uma uthe kulaba votani nathi la siphasise lo mthetho othize mzukwane laba befuna ifavor wangayenza bayazi ukuthi bakubamba mzukwane kuthiwa kufuneka ukuphasisa umthetho ngoba siyazi phela eSouth Africa noma ngezwe nebill noma ngeza nani ekugcineni kufuneka kuvotwe ukuze kwazi leyo bill iphumelele so ngisho ibudget esekhulumile ke uminister yakhuluma iNCOP kwahlukanisa ukuthi ibudget izoyapi kufuneka ke manje ngokuhlukana kweindawo ukuthi iwater and sanitation sinika imali engaka into ethize omasipala kuzophinde futhi ifuneka kuvote kuzoba nzima ngempela uma belingana kuzoba nzima ngoba kuzofuna amoncence iqembu ukuthi alivote nawe wenze sure ukuthi mzukwane lifuna ifavor kuwe ngoba kukhona ama demands abazoza nawo there is no free lunch la emhlabeni mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo ngiyabonga kakhulu